La la feel good. 64 counts, 2 walls, intermediate. Weight on the right. Section 1. Left foot. Heel grind, quarter, now facing 9. Left coaster step. Extended shuffle. Step together, step, quarter, now facing 6 o'clock. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 2. Syncopated jazz box. Travel slightly back. Cross, back, ball, cross. Back, ball, cross. Step left to the side. Twist heels, left, right. Another twist heels, make a quarter turn, same time hitch right. Now facing 9. Count section 2. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Right foot, rock forward or drop, recover together, walk left, right. Heel switches, left heel together, right heel together, step, knee pop. Finish with weight on the right. Count section 3. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4. 2 walks back or marching back, left, right. Left toe behind, unwind, half turn, weight on the left. Step, pivot, quarter, now facing 12. Cross, point, right arm half circle back. Count section 4 after the knee pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, left foot, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Step, heel in, side, ball, cross. Count section 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 6. Left foot, side, behind, ball, cross, side. Sailor half turn. Quarter together, quarter cross, facing 6. Big step to the left, touch. Count section 6. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 7. Shuffle to the right diagonal 7:30. Right shuffle, 2 skate, left, right. The next 4 steps traveling to 12 o'clock. Cross left over. Back right, same time snap and look at 12 o'clock. Cross again, step back and snap and look again. Count section 7. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8. Cross, quarter back facing 6. Shuffle half turn facing 12. Step, pivot half back to 6. Right foot, mambo together with hip pushing back. End of the main dance. Count section 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Tag, total 8 counts. Tag happened twice. The first time start facing 6 o'clock. Second time start facing 12 o'clock. Tag, full run around. Quarter, 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 back to 6. 4 walks, bring hands up. Left, right, and start the dance again with heel grind quarter. Count for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32 counts, restart. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. You will then do a 64 counts wall, finish at 12, and do the tag facing the front wall. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you will start another 64 counts, finish at 6. You will have another 32 counts, restart.